Hey boys and girls, the Junkman coming at you. I told you I was going to make a video featuring the Master Blaster. Now, this is not that video, although it is featuring the Master Blaster, but basically what I'm going to do is give you a little teaser. Right now, a brother in his garage is actually a brother in Tampa, Florida right now. So, I'm not in my garage right now, but I'm showing you how effective this thing is. Like I said, it's just a teaser. These wheels have all kinds of cracks and crevices in them, and I'm going to blow them out with the Master Blaster. So check this out. Okay, as you can see, this puppy moves a lot of air. The air is heated, and you're going to need yourself a 20 amp breaker to run this bad boy, because it's got two switches on it. Remember, it's got yeah, and then it's got hell yeah. So when you throw both switches, you better get ready for some air to be moving, because the Air Force Master Blaster ain't no joke. It is the baller's way to go. All right? So that's your short video. We'll see you with the full-length production when our brother makes it back to his garage. Coming all the way from Tampa, Florida, this is the Junkman shining out.